it just adds to, having a better classroom experience in general from a tech perspective. And I would say that's pretty synonymous response for most classmates.
Yeah, more of a seamless experience. Jude, what are you hearing from your friends? Are they like,
Yeah,
hey,
it's
dude,
mostly
yeah, why do you have lecture log? Are you made our lives a little difficult? Or are they like, oh wow, this is great. This has been just phenomenal, keeping us honest.
Yeah, I was expecting to be the least popular guy in the business school after launching this. Luckily, people have been nice, like Avery, and focus on the positives. But yeah, I mean, students do appreciate having the access to the app. I had a friend the other day. She said, I've been going to class all semester, and I wanted to check and see if I had enough absences left to sleep in after I had a late night of studying. And I think that's one of the great things is, you can manage your absences. You can use those responsibly, just like you would in the real world. You have PTO and you got to decide when you need a break. So that's one of those things that students really like.